How to remove image background in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a new or existing design where you want to remove the background from an image. Next, click on the Uploads button in the left-hand panel to upload your image or choose a photo from Canva's photo library. Click on the image to add it to your canvas. Once the image is on your canvas, select it. You will see the top toolbar. Click on Busy Remover. Canva will automatically detect and remove the background from your image. If needed, use the Erase or Restore brushes to refine any areas that were missed or accidentally removed. You can also adjust the size and position of your image on the canvas. After you are satisfied with the background removal, you can layer your image over other elements, add text, or use it in your design. Finally, click Download to save your edited image in PNG or other formats. Now you know how to remove image backgrounds in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.